Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows resource protection could not perform the requested operation on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. The first solution is to restart Windows Module Installer Service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, okay? And then go to Windows Module Installer Service, this one, and start it. If it started, then restart it. So this is the primary solution. This is the reason that you encounter this error, because this service is not activated at startup itself. Now, if this doesn't help, then an obvious solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.